The year is 2045. Humanity reached a pivotal moment in its history about 20 years ago, when alien disclosure became a reality, and the world learned that we are not alone in the universe. Now, humanity is no longer confined to Earth. We've spread our wings and ventured far beyond our home planet. We've ventured into the cosmos, establishing a galactic community. We have been welcomed by different cultures and civilizations that have existed for centuries, and we now coexist, sharing knowledge and resources. It's the 4th of July, but its meaning now resonates on a cosmic scale. This day, once a symbol of national pride, has transformed into a celebration of universal unity. We celebrate not just the birth of a nation, but the boundless potential of humanity united. Our achievements are no longer limited to one world. They span across galaxies. This 4th of July lets imagine celebrations that extend beyond Earth, embracing a future where humanity stands together among the stars. Picture distant planets reveling in our newfound freedom and joining in the festivities. Imagine a galaxy illuminated by interstellar fireworks, each burst a testament to our collective journey. These fireworks are not just displays of light, but symbols of our shared dreams and aspirations. Imagine parades of planets, their orbits a celestial dance of unity and freedom. Each planet a unique participant in this grand celebration, moving in harmony with the others. Imagine gazing up at the night sky, not just from Earth, but from 1,000 different worlds. Instead of simple explosions of light, imagine interstellar fireworks painting the cosmos with vibrant nebulas of color. These aren't your typical fireworks. They're orchestrated bursts of energy, carefully crafted to illuminate the vast distances between stars. These cosmic displays are visible across entire galaxies, a testament to human ingenuity and artistry. They remind us that even across the vastness of space, we are connected. We are one people, celebrating our shared heritage under a sky filled with the same stars. On Earth, parades wind through city streets, but in the year 2045, imagine multi-planetary parades where entire planets, adorned with lights and holographic projections, move in synchronized orbits. These parades are a spectacle of celestial choreography, a ballet of worlds celebrating their shared freedom. From planet to planet, messages of unity and goodwill are beamed across the galaxy. Leaders from diverse worlds share messages of hope and cooperation, reminding us that our differences are insignificant compared to our shared humanity. The 4th of July in the year 2045 is not just about Earth's history, it's about the future of a galactic community. From distant star systems, messages pour in, carried on beams of light faster than we can imagine today. Alien civilizations, once unknown to us, join in our celebration, sharing their own stories of freedom and unity. These messages, translated in real time, remind us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. We are part of a universe teeming with life, and our journey towards unity and freedom is a journey shared by countless others. The 4th of July in the year 2045 is a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of countless cultures and histories. It's a celebration of diversity, a recognition that our differences make us stronger. From the bustling spaceports to the quiet corners of alien worlds, the spirit of unity prevails. We gather not just as nations, but as a species that has overcome countless challenges to reach for the stars. We celebrate our resilience, our ingenuity, and our unwavering belief in a brighter future. Section 6. Echoes of Liberation. The echoes of the Civil War resonate even louder in the year 2045. Humanity has faced new challenges, new forms of oppression, but we have always striven for unity and freedom. We remember the struggles of our ancestors, not just on Earth, but on countless other worlds where humanity has fought for unity and freedom. These stories of courage and resilience remind us that the fight for unity and freedom is never truly over. It's a continuous journey, a responsibility passed down through generations to ensure that the light of unity and liberty never fades. The 4th of July in the year 2045 is a testament to the enduring power of unity. It is a day that transcends time, a day that has evolved from its historical roots to become a universal celebration of togetherness. It's a celebration of our collective spirit, our ability to overcome differences and work together towards a common goal. People from all walks of life, from every corner of the earth and even beyond, come together to honor this day. It's a reminder that our greatest achievements are always ahead of us. The advancements in technology, the strides in social justice, and the leaps in scientific discovery all stem from our unified efforts. As we look up at the same stars scattered across the cosmos, we remember that we are all connected. This connection is not just a physical one, but a bond of shared dreams and aspirations. We are all part of the same universe, sharing the same hopes and dreams. This unity is what propels us forward, what drives us to explore new frontiers and to seek out new possibilities. The 4th of July is a symbol of that shared journey, a beacon of unity shining brightly across the galaxy. It is a day that reminds us of our potential, of the incredible things we can achieve when we stand together, united in purpose and vision. So, as you gather with friends and family this 4th of July, take a moment to appreciate the present and the journey that has brought us here. Look up at the stars, those timeless beacons of hope and wonder, and let your imagination soar. Envision the endless possibilities that the future holds for us. Imagine a future where humanity has achieved true unity, where borders are but a distant memory, and where we all work together for the common good. Picture a galaxy where freedom rings out from every corner, where every being, no matter their origin, can experience the joy of liberty. It's a future worth striving for, a future worth celebrating with every fiber of our being, a future where our dreams and aspirations know no bounds. Let us raise our glasses and toast to the future, a future that we can shape with our actions and our dedication. Imagine a future where the 4th of July is not just a day for fireworks and parades, but a day that symbolizes our collective progress and achievements, a day for reflection, for gratitude for the freedoms we enjoy, and for the sacrifices made to secure them. And most importantly, a day for a renewed commitment to the ideals of unity, freedom, and boundless possibility. Let us pledge to work together, to dream together, and to build a future that is bright, kind, and full of promise for all. As we celebrate this 4th of July, let's remember tomorrow is just around the corner. Let's ensure that our festivities strengthen our resolve to reclaim our freedom. Let's be mindful of our place in the universe and our impact on our planet and on each other. Let this 4th of July be a day filled with hope for a new future, with optimism and determination. Let it be a day where we remember that the human spirit, like the universe itself, is filled with boundless possibilities and opportunities. Happy 4th of July.